Welcome. So for this video, I'm gonna show you how to sign out or log out your account on ChatGPT. So make sure you are on the web page, which is the chat.openai.com. You can see here on my search bar. And as you can see here on my screen, I asked how to log out of ChatGPT, and it says that as an AI language model, ChatGPT that does not have a traditional login or logout system. You can simply close the chat window or end the conversation to log out of your interaction with ChatGPT. If you have any further questions or concerns, feel free to ask. So in other words, you can just simply exit the window so you can get rid of it. But there's a proper way of logging out or signing out your account on ChatGPT. So as you can see here on the bottom left corner of your screen, there is a section that says logout. So just simply click that and wait for a while. Then there you have it. Your account is now signed out on the page. So if you want to make sure that your account is safe, just refresh the page and you can see that your account is already signed out. So if you want to log in to your account again, just click login, and if you want to sign up for a new account, just click sign up. And there you have it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next video and have a great day.